A breathing exercise to balance the entire system and cleanse the subtle body, the Nadis, is what is called the Nadi Shodhan Pranayama. It has become popular all over the world as cardiac coherence breathing, or whatever name you give it. It's a very powerful breathing technique. In this, we keep our hand in what is called the Chin Mudra. This is something that we learn on the Art of Living's advanced meditation programs. The index finger bends and gently touches the tip of the thumb. The last three fingers are outstretched. This we keep on our knee or thigh. The right hand, index finger and middle finger touch in between the eyebrows very gently. Here, the command center of the body, the Agya chakra, the pineal, pituitary and the hypothalamus are situated. Now we use the thumb on one side and the little finger and the ring finger on the other side to close the nostril and change the flow of the breath. So first we will close the right nostril very gently at the base of the right nostril. Then we breathe in through the left and we breathe out through the right. Breathe in through the same and breathe out through the other. Whichever nostril you breathe out from, breathe in through the same and breathe out through the other. You can gently hold outside for a second or two, then breathe in. You can gently hold inside for a moment or two and breathe out. Notice the alternate flow of the hand, of the breath. We can continue this for about 5 minutes. Keeping our joyful attention on the breath and in between the eyebrows. The entire body is still, soft, loose, relaxed. Feel the flow of the breath like a gentle wave coming in and going out. We can complete the pranayams after about 5 minutes. Or say 9 or 10 breaths by breathing out from the right nostril and relaxing both the hands. Palms are open to the sky. And just acknowledging the balance that is there in the body and the brain. Noticing the stillness and the silence that dawns. Slowly, let's open our eyes. This stillness and silence we can carry forward in our sleep if we are doing this just before the sleep, or the focus we can carry forward if you are doing this at the start of a day. That's Nadi Shodhan Pranayama, alternate nostril breathing.
For those of you who would rather listen to a book than read it, Sleep Your Way to Success is available in its audiobook avatar, exquisitely narrated by Dinesh. It's available exclusively from our website www.booksbybnd.com. And if you really want to take that game of well-being up a few notches, You want to harness the awesome power of sleep to make you feel younger, to make you smarter, to make your immune system stronger so you don't fall sick so often, to improve your mood. Well then, check out our Power of Sleep workshop. Again, on our website www.booksbybnd.com. I will see you on the inside. Good night, sweet dreams, and may you have resounding success.